Welcome back friends. In this video we will develop another application of our syllabus. It is application number 39 of the syllabus. What does it ask? Create an application that designs a layout having a rating bar. Whenever user gives the rating, then a dialog box should appear with a message and button OK. The message in the rating bar should be displayed. The message in the rating bar should display rating, that you have given this much rating, and when the button is OK pressed, the dialog box should disappear. So let's define the activity and its layout. So as it has asked linear layout, I will set linear layout, and the layout only contains a rating bar. Okay, so let's put a rating bar in our layout. Rating bar, wrap content, stars, num stars. Let's put 10 stars. Now whenever the rating is changed, means the value of rating is changed, means client gives a rating, at that time an event of the rating bar is fired. So we need to handle that event, and in response to client's rating we have to show one dialog box. So in other words, we have to handle event using some event handler on rating bar. So for the rating bar, to handle event we should allocate some ID to it. Okay, let's give it ID just rating. Okay, we can set margins also 20 dp. Okay, and orientation doesn't matter whether it is horizontal or vertical, but you can see here there are 10 stars. Now in our activity we aren't asked to put anything else on the layout, only a rating bar. Okay, it's okay, fine. Now in our activity, first of all we will retrieve rating bar object, rating bar view. For that we need to define or declare a rating bar, and then here, yes, you are very correct, we will retrieve this rating bar by using the method find view by id of activity. Okay, r.id.rating, fine. Now for whenever client changes the rating, or whenever client gives a rating, an event of the rating bar is fired, and for that we need to set on rating bar change listener. Okay, we need to set on rating bar change listener. Here we need to pass an instance of on rating bar change listener, which we will implement an anonymous implementation or anonymous class. So a method will be overridden on rating changed, rating bar, rating which is given, rating bar, it is the view on which client has interact itself. Okay, rating bar, here there is only one rating bar, so we know that whenever this method will be fired, our this rating bar will be interacted by the client. Now the current value which client has set will be passed as a rating variables value. Then it is an important parameter from user. See, while discussing this rating bar in theory, I have told you that there are cases when the rating or the value of the rating bar is programmatically changed by us or the developer. So it is good to know whether the value of this rating bar is changed programmatically or it is changed by the client's interaction, because whenever, in most of the cases, whenever client changes the value of this rating bar, we would like or we would be interested to know. Okay, so this third parameter boolean from user, it is true in case where client has interacted with the rating bar and changed its value, and if the value is changed programmatically, the value of this boolean variable will be false. Okay, so it is always a good idea to check whether this value is changed or set programmatically or by user. So we can say if from user, it means if it is true, then we are asked to show a dialog box with button OK. So here we will create an alert builder, alert dialog dot builder is equal to new alert dialog dot builder. Now builder dot set title rating. Okay, builder dot set message. What we are asked, the message in the rating bar should be displayed this much rating selected. You have given this much rating, so here we will put text, you have given this much, means this much rating. Okay, and concate it with a word rating. Okay, it is set as message. Then there should be a button, we are asked to put a button OK. Builder dot set. What should happen when this button is clicked? Dialog box should disappear, so just we need to set positive button. Okay, and the text of this button OK, and next argument is on click listener. New, we can dialog interface dot on click listener. Okay, it is the simplest of dialog boxes available in Android, alert dialog. Here what will we do? Here we just need to dismiss the dialog box, and for that it by default it disappears. Okay, we will see. Okay, we will see it, but finally to show the dialog box we should call builder dot show, and in our manifest file we need to set this activity as launcher activity 2. Let's run it. Gradle build Gradle is being built. There is some problem associated with this builder.show. You need to use app compat theme or with this activity. On stop tracking touch. we should it is stopped. The AVD is killed. Let's change the manifest file to what it was. Okay, and now run it. We can do one thing. We can make this activity class itself as a handler, and we can override the method this on rating changed. Okay, so as I told you, let's change it. Let's implement on rating and we will override the method of this rating bar, and all this thing will be put inside this method. Okay, and here we will register it for event set on rating bar change listener this, and get application context. Okay, this condition is closed here, and the method should also be closed. Now let's see what happens. Same thing. Looper.java. Let's do one thing. Here I am taking one counter is equal to 0, and here, okay, instead of showing this dialog box, I will just increment count. Okay, count plus plus. Okay, and here there will be some message of this log.info rating bar. Let's find it again. Yes, rating bar 2, rating bar 3, rating bar 4, bar 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the method is only executing once, so I think that there is some another problem. Alert dialog dot builder is equal to new alert dialog dot builder this, and here builder dot set message count is equal to count and builder dot show. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the problem was that we were creating this alert dialog inside this rating bar changed. So in that context it was not able to create an object of alert dialog, so it was giving that error. Now here what will we do? Whatever we want to do, we will do here. Okay, first of all, set message is, what is the message to be set? You have given this much rating. You have given rating plus rating. Okay, fine. Then builder dot set title rating. Okay, then builder dot set positive button. Okay, next argument is dialog interface and show. Okay, let's try and see what happens. Okay, so no need to write coding for OK, as OK is automatically disappearing. Okay, here the 10 rating bars are not fitting on screen, so on screen margin should be less and width height 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it is according to screen, it is fitting and it is giving stars. Okay, and as we have num stars 10, it is giving 10 stars. Or we can also set the width, suppose 200 dp. 3 4. So in that case it is showing only 4 stars. So num stars is our request to show that much star, but according to the screen's width it will show stars. So in this way we can have a dialog box which displays the rating, and also we can dismiss the dialog here, but it is not required as the dialog box is already, on clicking the OK button, it is already disappeared. Okay, so it is okay if we don't write this dialog.dismiss method, because it is by default its behavior that on clicking the OK button, which is set as positive button, it is disappeared. Okay, as you can see here, the maximum limit of the stars are 1 2 3 4, and on clicking this rightmost it is showing that all stars are selected, 10 star rating. Okay, so here when we select this one, it is 0, it is 4.5. okay, so in this way we can create and use rating bar. Okay, in the next video we will discuss some another application from the syllabus. Up to that, thank you.